Startling discovery finding two-headed fish larvae in the Noosa River. They blame chemicals sprayed on nearby macadamia farms. One substance has been banned for years in the United States because of the risk to people.
It's one of Queensland's most pristine waterways, but now scientists have discovered severe cell deformities in Australian bass in the Noosa River.
All of the eggs and the larvae were unviable, and a large percentage had two heads.
Dr Ben Diggles was part of the research team that made the shocking discovery.
It's probably just the tip of an iceberg. We don't know how big the problem is, and no one's actually looking.
Deformed Australian bass larvae were first discovered by Gwen Gilson at Sunland Hatchery. She had her embryos tested after thousands died.
It was devastating because, I make my living out of selling them, and you certainly can't sell something with two heads.
Gwen believes the chemicals sprayed on neighbouring macadamia farms are to blame. Dr Diggles agrees.
The problem is with a lot of these pesticides is they cause problems at levels below the limits of detection in the lab.
Commercial fishermen are worried other fish species in the Noosa River are contaminated as well.
You know, name it, bream, whiting, red bream, all those sort of fish.
They've already noticed a 95% drop in bass being caught and a 100% decline in golden mullet since the macadamias were planted a decade ago.
5 years down the time, we mightn't have any fish at all to catch.
One of the chemicals sprayed on the macadamias is called carbendazymes, which was banned in the US in 2001 due to concerns over the reproductive effect on humans.
Is that if these chemicals are used according to normal, to the label directions, they should be safe.
But the Australian Pesticides Regulator has had the chemical under review since 2007 over concerns it causes developmental abnormalities in animals. And the product's own label warns against contamination of waterways.
Of course, we're going to take it seriously and we'll investigate it appropriately.
Michelle Tapper, 7 News.